This is what I cooked for our team lunch today.
Roasted chicken with mushrooms, cauliflower and broccoli gratin, spice rice, and a warm cabbage salad. Start by making a yogurt marinade paste. You can use whatever spices you like. I'm using mixed herbs and a bit of chili flakes for heat. Yogurt tenderizes, retains juiciness, and help to get that beautiful browning. I'm using mixed mushrooms and seasoning it lightly. You can use whichever mushrooms available to you. We are roasting them to draw out some moisture. The mushrooms will act as a bait to soak up the chicken juices, also helping the chicken roast evenly. This is a hack for an instant umami-packed side dish. Cut the cauliflower and broccoli florets evenly for consistent cooking. I've added some water and seasonings. The foil creates a flavor-enhancing steam-bake effect and reduces the cooking time. I use yogurt instead of cream for a lighter, tangier twist on the classic. You'll still get that creamy, comforting bite with a little acidity. This is an easy way to elevate your plain steamed rice. You can also use chicken stock to enhance the flavor and add whatever spices you like. This is not your typical coleslaw. It's an Eastern European style warm salad which is best paired with meat. Sauté the carrots, cabbage and onions until 90% cooked for that slightly crunchy texture. For a healthier option, use yogurt instead of mayonnaise for the salad dressing. It adds a creamy texture without all the fat. Finally, adding in raw tomatoes and celery to add more texture.